In this video, I'll teach you the way that you can become a creator on Podimo. Welcome back to a new guide video, everyone. If you're trying to become or add in your podcast to Podimo, in today's video, let me show you the process. Now, to become a creator or a podcaster on Podimo, you'll need to head over to the studio's website. So, open up a web browser and search for studio.podimo.com. This way, you'll land up on the login page of the podcast Podimo. You do not need a separate account. If you already have an account of Podimo, you can just tap on login. Now, once you're inside of the login section, type in your email address and the password of your account. Tap on login. Now, if this is your first time opening up studios.podimo.com, you're going to get an email that you need to confirm that you want to be a podcaster or creator of Podimo. So open up your email and you're going to get the email similar to this. You just need to tap on verify email so that Podimo can verify your email address. Now, once this step is completed, the next thing you'll need to do is enter in your RSS URL feed. Scroll down, just tap on the imported RSS feed. Scroll down and you can just paste in the link that you have and then tap on this button. Once you tap on this button, again a code will be sent to your email address. You just need to type in the code in the next screen and your RSS URL feed will also be verified. Once you completed this step, you'll need to set up your podcaster studio. You'll need to upload and edit the cover art and descriptions. You need to track listener stats as well as you can view revenue reports from the Podimo subscription pool. Only after the RSS feed is verified, you'll be able to see the studios or the dashboard for the studio's podcaster. So that was the video about the way that you can become a creator on Podimo. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'm gonna be back soon with more videos just like this.